My dudes, my guys, my freaking boys, today I'm going to show you how I brace a Miata differential. Now, if you're new to Miatas or anything like that, you might be wondering why this is a very, very, very important mod, especially for drifting or drag racing or stuff like that. So Miatas have these little notches in here. I don't know why they're there, but they always crack the ear off the diff, and then, you know, your diff falls over. Because the Miatas have, like, the power brace that goes all the way back, which holds the transmission in. So, like, when the diff falls, everything kind of just not good. So what you're going to do first is clean up all the metal. Make sure it's clean and weldable. You're going to be welding all the way around the edges like this. The next thing you're going to need is one of these plates like this. There's companies out there that sell pre-made ones, which honestly, just buy the pre-made ones. This stuff's kind of a pain to make, but I went ahead and made this one. Basically just traced the inside with cardboard and then, you know, transferred over to metal and get it made. So what I'm going to do before I weld my plate in place, which this guy's going to sit up in here like that, what I'm going to do before I do that is I'm going to weld these. I'm going to cap these two little indents off with weld. Knock that out. It might not be necessary. I feel like it just makes it stronger, so I'm going to do it, right? Everybody can do it how they want. So these diff housings are aluminum, so you're going to need to find somebody that can TIG weld most likely, unless they're like an absolute animal and have a MIG welder that can weld aluminum. I guess it's doable, but that would be savage. Okay, now that we have our the holes capped off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this plate up on there. Use my clamps here to hold it in place. All right, I got everything in position. I forgot that I need to cut these out, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark that and cut that, and then put all this back together. Then we can start welding. All right, we have our ends cut. Now we can go ahead and start welding this thing all the way around. First thing I'm gonna do is tack around it, just so it can't move around as I'm welding it. Then we'll just go ahead and fully weld around everything. All right, just got this whole thing all welded in. You can see it's all welded on the bottoms. All that. Now what I'm going to do, it's probably really hot, is I'm going to go ahead and build plates for in here now. I've seen where people do like one solid plate all the way across here, but it's so thin in here that I try to not do that. I'm basically just going to build two little, I guess, triangle-ish pieces to go in each side, and then they'll just like wrap up on there and just get welded. All right, I've got our pieces made here, and they're just going to go in like this. And then go ahead and weld them all up. Got the diff all cleaned, and then we should be good. I'm just gonna go ahead and weld this. My mics are about to die, and I need to finish this video up. So, all right, and here we have it. Now we have both sides all plated, and it should be ready to be installed. Simple as that. If this is something that you guys might need, and you don't have a local welder to or anything like that, please message me on Instagram. I can help you out. Just ship me the diff housing, and we'll be good. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later. Hope this helps someone out. Peace.